Welcome to the Grow Your Base brief overview of CryptoKitties, the game where you can collect and breed your furry friends. So with CryptoKitties, it is an ERC 721 game. So in fancy terms, that is just a collectible game that you can play and you fully own each kitty. You can buy and sell these cats in the community online. You can create collections and earn rewards. And most importantly, you can breed these CryptoKitties. So that allows you to unlock all of these different types of rare traits and all these fun little kitties. You can play games using their kitties. And there are a lot of very limited editions. And finally, you can crack puzzles alongside other players. And without further ado, this is the overview video of CryptoKitties, now available to be earned on the Grow Your Base platform.